Hello, children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well at home. I hope, children, that you all are enjoying your online classes. Now, children, welcome to your EVS online class. Children, yesterday I explained you the chapter number 1, that is my body. I hope you all have understood it very properly. But if you have not understood any part or any topic from this chapter yesterday, then don't worry, students. Today I will again explain you the chapter and I will tell you all the important points regarding this chapter. So now, children, open your books to page number 7. Chapter number 1, my body. And now please listen to me very carefully. Children, yesterday I told you that our body is made up of many parts, like head, ear, cheeks, neck, hair, eyes, nose, and all these all are our body parts, and our body is made up of many parts. Okay, and each part has its own special function to perform. Like your eyes, you have eyes, and what is the function of eyes? To see. What is the function of your hands? To hold or to write something. What is the function of your nose? The function of your nose is to smell things. What is the function of your legs? The function of your legs is to run, is to walk, is to jump. And what is the function of your fingers? Your fingers helps you to give grip while you are holding things. Okay. So each and every body part has its own special function. As you can see in this picture, some body parts are mentioned here: head, ear, cheek, neck, shoulder, stomach, knee, ankle, toes. Then hair, eyes, nose, chin, chest, arm, thumb, fingers, leg, heel, and foot. Is that clear, children? These all are our body parts. Okay. Now, yesterday I also told you about external and internal organs. Now, children, we have many body parts, as you know that, but our body parts are divided into two parts. Okay, they are divided into two parts. Like the parts which we can see are called external parts. External parts are those which we can see and which are outside our body. Okay, then comes your internal parts. So internal parts are those which you can see, which you cannot see, and are inside our body. Is that clear, children? What are our external parts? Head, neck, arms, legs, eyes, ears, nose, and mouth are our external parts. Now, external parts, as you know, are those which we can see and which are outside our body. So what is the function of your arms and hands? Arms and hands helps us to hold or lift and carry things. As you can see in the picture, this boy is holding his trophy in his hand. This boy is lifting the weight lift from his hand. This man is carrying a bag in his hand, and this girl is writing with her hands. Okay. Now, coming to next part, that is legs and feet. So, legs and feet helps us to stand, walk, run and jump. As you can see in this picture, the girl is standing. She is standing on her legs. The main function of legs and feet is to stand, walk, run and jump. This girl is standing on her legs. The boy is walking. This boy is running and this boy is jumping. So all this is possible with your legs. Okay. Now comes the internal organs. What are internal organs? I told you before that internal organs are those which we cannot see and are inside our body. हमारे बॉडी के अंदर, हमारे बॉडी के बाहर जो ऑर्गन्स होते हैं वो एक्सटर्नल ऑर्गन्स होते हैं, और जो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर होते हैं ऑर्गन्स वो हमारे इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स होते हैं. ओके. एंड व्हाट आर आवर इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स? ब्रेन, हार्ट, lungs and stomach are our internal organs. Is that clear, children? Okay. Now coming to the internal organs function. What are the functions of internal organs? So first one is brain. See, our brain is like this. This is the picture of a brain. The brain is inside our head. It helps us to think and learn. It also controls the action of all other body parts. Brain helps us to think and learn. The main function of brain is to think and learn. हमें सोचने और याद करने की जो किसी भी चीज़ को हम जब सोचते हैं या याद करते हैं तो हम किससे करते हैं? अपने ब्रेन से. Okay. It also controls the actions of all other body parts. सारे body parts के functioning को control करता है. Now coming to heart. The heart lies a little to the left side of the chest. हमारा heart किधर होता है? थोड़ा सा left side में, chest के थोड़ा सा left side में. It pumps blood to all parts of the body. You can feel your heart beating when you run fast or climb a staircase. Now the main function of heart is that it pumps blood to all parts of our body. You should learn these things, that function of brain is to think and learn. Function of heart is to pump blood to all parts of the body. And then comes your lungs. So lungs are a pair like this shown in the picture. They are situated in the chest. They helps us to breathe. The main function of lungs is to breathe. They helps us to breathe. Now last internal organ here is stomach. So the stomach is inside our belly. It is like a bag. The food we eat goes into the stomach. It helps to digest the food. Main function of stomach is to digest the food that we eat. Okay. खाने को डाइजेस्ट करता है, जो भी हम खाते हैं उसको डाइजेस्ट करना. नाउ द नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज अबाउट सेंस ऑर्गन्स. एज आई टोल्ड यू बिफोर चिल्ड्रन, देर आर 5 सेंस ऑर्गन्स. वी ऑल हैव 5 सेंस ऑर्गन्स एंड दोज 5 सेंस ऑर्गन्स आर eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These 5 sense organs helps us in many ways. Like eyes helps us to see, ears helps us to hear, nose helps us to smell, tongue helps us to taste and skin helps us to feel things. Okay, sense organs are also known as the window of the body. Coming to the last part, here it is given. Eyes helps us to identify the shape, size and color of a thing. Eyes हमें किस लिए हेल्प करती है? देखने के लिए, किसी चीज़ को आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए, पता करने के लिए कि ये क्या है. ओके, उसका शेप, साइज एंड कलर ऑफ द थिंग्स. ओके, ईयर्स हेल्प्स अस टू हियर डिफरेंट साउंड्स. ईयर का काम क्या होता है? डिफरेंट साउंड्स को सुनना. नोज हेल्प्स अस टू स्मेल डिफरेंट थिंग्स. नोज का काम क्या होता है? स्मेल करना, ठीक है, दैट इफ इट इज़ अ फ्रैग्रेंस और इज इट इज़ अ स्मेल ऑफ एनी अदर थिंग. ओके, द टंग हेल्प्स अस टू टेस्ट थिंग्स. टंग का फंक्शन क्या है? टू टेस्ट थिंग्स. Whenever you eat some sweet thing, like you eat chocolate, so you say that it is very sweet. How you know that it is sweet? Because your tongue, the taste comes on your tongue, and your tongue helps to taste those things which you eat. Now the last is the skin helps us to feel things. Skin का क्या काम है? कोई भी चीज़ को feel करना. Is that clear? Now last part was how to take care of our body. So children, we should take good care of our body. अगर हम अपनी बॉडी की केयर नहीं करेंगे तो हमारी बॉडी साफ सुथरी नहीं रखेंगे तो हमें बीमारियां हो जाएंगी. ओके, सो अगर हम केयर नहीं करेंगे तो वी विल गेट इल, हम बीमार हो जाएंगे. सो सिंपल टिप्स you should be knowing to take care of our body. Okay, those simple tips are to brush your teeth twice a day. brush 2 बार करना चाहिए दिन में. have a bath every day, हमें रोज़ नहाना चाहिए. wear neat and tidy clothes, हमें साफ़ सुथरे कपड़े पहनने चाहिए. cut your nails every day, हमें अपने नेल्स रोज़ नहीं तो हर 2 दिन बाद काटने चाहिए. eat healthy food, we should always eat healthy food. like हमें बाहर का खाना, जंक फूड, फास्ट फूड नहीं खाना चाहिए. ओके, एक्सरसाइज रेगुलरली, प्ले आउटडोर गेम्स, हमें एक्सरसाइज रोज़ करना चाहिए और आउटडोर गेम्स खेलना चाहिए. नाउ इन दिस recap column there are some important recap that our body is made up of many parts. body is made up of many parts means हमारी बॉडी बहुत सारे पार्ट्स किस में बनी हुई है. We can see and touch the external parts of our body. जो हमारे external parts होते हैं उनको हम देख सकते हैं और touch कर सकते हैं. Brain, heart, lungs and stomach are some internal organs of the body. Brain, heart, lungs और stomach हमारे internal organs होते हैं जिनको हम नहीं देख सकते. We have 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These are our 5 sense organs. We should take गुड केयर ऑफ आ बॉडी. हमें अपनी बॉडी का गुड केयर करना चाहिए. नाउ दैट वॉज ऑल इन दिस चैप्टर चिल्ड्रेन. नाउ आई होप यू ऑल विल अंडरस्टैंड इट वेरी वेरी क्लियरली. ओके, सो children, yesterday I gave you one assignment. Did you all complete that? If you not have completed till now, so it's my request children, please complete it and maintain your proper notebook so that whenever the school will reopen we will check your notebooks. Okay, so all the work should be in your notebooks, and after completing one chapter, after completing each and every chapter, we will take one test. So be prepared, and very soon I will be taking a test on this chapter. After completing the exercises and all, then I will take a test. Okay, so be prepared and learn everything daily. Whatever is taught to you, you should learn it properly and daily. Okay, so the assignment which I gave you yesterday should be completed and you should learn day by day. Okay, now with this video today also you will be getting a assignment. You will be getting an assignment, so that assignment should also be done in your copies neatly and clearly. Okay, and in the assignment there are 2 topics. One is match the following and the other is name the following. So as I will give you in written, as I will give you in the assignment, you will copy it down same as I have written. Okay, answers are given in your assignments, you have to just copy it down in your notebooks and start learning everything. whatever is given in your assignments, you have to learn it also. Okay, so that's all for today, children. I hope you will complete your work and you will be very careful about your studies. And till then, bye bye, take care, children. Meet you soon.